let's connect the dots between our gadgets and a major global resource crisis. So get this, a recent report found that almost a third of something critical is at risk.
We're talking about the world's supply of semiconductors, the chips in literally everything.
And the reason why? Well, it might not be what you think. It's something much more basic. Turns out the hidden dependency is water. But here's the kicker. This isn't new. We were warned. Let's rewind to the year 2000. A report from back then actually tried to predict our present day. Its whole goal was to model what the world's water situation would be right around now in 2025. And to do that, they used a really important metric called severe water stress. Think of it like your budget. If you're spending over 40% on just one thing, it's a huge problem. So the scientists laid out 3 possible futures, basically 3 different paths we could take. The first path, business as usual, was, well, not great. It showed demand for water just skyrocketing. But they also showed other paths were possible. With new tech and different values, we could change things. So which path did we actually take? Now, decades later, we can see for ourselves. Well, that business as usual warning about intense competition for water sounds a bit familiar, right? The scary part? It predicted 4 billion people will be living in these conditions by now. And today, that exact competition for water is directly threatening our global tech supply chain. But the report's most critical point was this. Just being more efficient, it wasn't going to be enough. Which means we had to look at the single biggest piece of the pie, the biggest water user. The report's final verdict? The real solution needed huge, structural changes in agriculture itself. And we're not talking about minor adjustments. These were major shifts in how the world makes its food. So this leaves us with the hardest choices, the same ones that report posed to his future. To us. Because weirdly enough, our digital future might really flow through fields just like these.